Hey guys, so in this video I'll show you how you can install this Linux Mint. Okay, so you need to just search on the Google and the first link is coming. Okay, so you can just click on this one and then you can just click on this Cinnamon edition. Okay, so this one only I'm going to install and show you in the VMware. Okay, so you need to just click on this download, scroll down and just click on this one Linux Mint, and it will basically start downloading your ISO. Okay, so already I have downloaded for it, so I'm going to cancel for now. So here you can see this one. Okay, Linux Mint 22.3 Cinnamon 64-bit. Okay, so this is the same file. Now what you have to do, just open up your VMware. You will see the option of here like create a new virtual machine. Okay, so just click on it and do next. Then here you need to basically select your ISO image. Okay, so just click on this browse button and after that just select this one. Okay, whatever ISO you have downloaded, then you can just click on the next, and it's a Linux type and version you can just keep it 64-bit. It works for this also. And then you need to just select the folder where you want to keep those like installed directories and all. So for you, if you want to keep the default one, you can keep, otherwise you can select as well. So I will just select the folders, or I will just keep this path only. So this is the path, and I'm just going to basically here paste it. Okay, so just do the next one. Okay, split virtual disk into multiple files. Yeah, that's fine. Do next. And yeah, hardware we can just customize. So memory, okay, 2 GB it is now. So recommended is around. I will just give it up to 3 GB, up to 4. Okay, depends on your host system how much you have. If you have 8 GB, you can give the half so that it will work perfectly fine. And processor also you can just give it up to 8. That's also correct. Okay, just now you can just close it, and yeah, you can just do the finish now. So now it will basically boot up. Okay, so okay, so VM we have created here. Just click on this power on this virtual machine. Okay, so it will start basically installing your Linux Mint. Okay, so this page came, so you can just click hit enter, or you can just wait for just 5 seconds. It will automatically basically start installing. So let's just wait. Okay, so you need to wait for few seconds so that it will something will come up on the screen. So let's just wait few more seconds. Okay, so at this logo came. Hmm. Okay, so the screen came now. So just wait, or you need to just click on this install Linux Mint. So I will just do a right click here. Uh, Let me just select. Yeah, okay, it's working. Just do a right click and click on this open. Okay, so it will open a dialog and it will ask you few of the questions that you need to just hit enter and enter. Okay, let's just wait. Okay, so now it's time to just click on the like continue. You need to just select your language. So English I will be selecting. Just click on this continue button, and again just click on this continue. Let's just wait for the next question. Okay, here also you need to just hit continue. Let's just wait. Okay, so now yeah, you have to just click on this install now, and yeah, hit continue. and select your region. So here I'm in India, so I'll just select the India to continue, and you can give the username. So I'm giving Ayushare. Password also you can just give. Okay. Hmm. Just click on this continue. So now it will basically start copying files and all, and also it will install some third party tools. So you need to basically wait here for now almost, I guess, 10-15 minutes maybe mostly. So I'll be just waiting for that, and once it's done I'll be just get back to you. So let's just wait for a few seconds, few minutes actually. Well, so here you can see now we are just configuring locals. So once it will be done, we will be having our instance ready. Just wait again for a few more minutes. So you can see here all those different libraries, binaries that are just installing, configuring. So you need to just wait. So here you can see installation complete pop-up has come. Okay, so you can just click on now restart now button. Okay, so just click on it. So it will basically restart your VM again. Okay, so let's just wait for the system to reboot. So and keep remember whatever password you have kept that time while configuring, the same username and password you need to just enter right now. Okay, so let's just wait. I'm not able to find my cursor. Okay, so now it's booting. Let's wait for the login screen. Okay, here it comes. So here you just need to enter your username, sorry, your password. Okay, hit enter. So now you have basically your Linux Mint installed successfully in your VMware. So here you can see. Okay, and yeah, you can just uncheck this option, or it all depends on you. This is just the welcome. Okay, you can just want to explore, you can just do let's go, and it will tell you about different screens what it is. So you have your Linux Mint installed. You can just open up the terminal here. You can just enter those Linux command like ls and ps, anything whatever you want to do. You can move to any desktop or any directory. So basically in your VMware your instance is running successfully and you didn't face any issues. So I think, yeah, that's it for this particular video. And yeah, if you have any issue you face, you can just ask in the comment section. And yeah, that's it for this video, and see you in the next one, guys. Thank you so much for watching.